I sing up to the roof of my mouth, and then honest to God, my breath is just fresh all day.
Look at that, look at that. Is Matthew here? Yeah. Slur my words like that.
So where's Anthony?
We saw him outside. He's acting kind of weird. I think he's waiting for his girlfriend.
We tried to get him to come in. We tried everything.
I tried everything. All you were doing out there was trying to get him to smoke.
What? Smoking is cool.
I don't even think he's gonna come inside.
Why not? Fuck. Is it the whole Jenny and Anthony situation?
I got a really good feeling that that's probably it.
What a loser.
So stupid. This is so stupid.
Hey,
Anthony, what's up?
it's a little wet. It's raining outside, so I'm just gonna chill out upstairs. So.
Do you want me to get that?
I have like a whole banana
I don't know. I thought you guys hated each other. Really?
I went to the beer store about a week ago and some kid in the car called me queer. I took it as a compliment though. What? Was that you to him? No. I was thinking, who calls someone queer? Like, if you're gonna yell something in a car, you're gonna at least say faggot, right?
Oh, yeah.
So.
But it's like, I did this for you guys. I brought you in.
So, where's your new girl?
Her flight was late.
Her flight?
No, she's dead.
Dead?
Nah, I'm just fucking with you. Her flight's late.
Why don't you just go pick her up at the airport?
No, that's bullshit. I don't do that shit.
Why not?
I don't know. Every time you go to the airport, you know, it's just so depressing to see people say hello and goodbye. It's the worst. I just don't like going to airports, you know. It's just... It's that, but it's also people who travel, they always find a way to rub it in your face, you know? It's like traveling is inherently better than not traveling. It's fucking assholes.
Right. Just going to the funeral is amazing, right?
Yeah. Or, you know, getting kidnapped and sold into the sex trade by some guy named, you know, Vladimir who wants to exploit you in ways that you never imagined. Yeah, exactly. Exactly that.
So, you're not in love with this girl, eh?
There's no girl.
Okay. I had a feeling. Why don't you just come downstairs?
I will. Just gonna finish my beer, okay? I'll meet you down there, okay?
Okay.
We gotta freshen up.
Okay.
I'm in a robe, for God's sake. I might just wear it for the rest of the party.
Okay.
It's really comfortable. As long as my junk...
Really? 6, 7, no, seriously, to it. I had to count.
Yo, move downstairs. Move downstairs.
Station with you? No, I can't. For what?
That's not awesome.
Are you having a good time?
Yes.
Same.
Gotta keep drinking.
What are you guys drinking?
I don't know. Someone just keeps handing me drinks.
Nice, I like that deal.
Who knows what's in them?
Yeah.
You guys aren't trying to raid me, right?
Not that I know.
It was on.
You should shoot it in the garage. Just, yeah.
Can I get...
Yeah, just, yeah.
Alright, just sit back.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah. Sorry. Ugh. Gross. Sorry.
Whatever, yeah. How are you?
Not bad.
Yeah.
What are you doing up here?
I'm just drinking beer and just, you know, kind of relaxing and, you know,
People sent me up here to try to get you down there.
Yeah, no, I'm just drinking beer and having, you know, I'm just, yeah, no, I know it's a party and stuff, but, It's just, I just been thinking, you know, like, why did we break up? You know?
I mean, like, I think that you know already because it was kind of like we both sort of knew
Oh,
that it was.
this was like a mutual breakup. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Well, I mean, like I imposed it a bit, maybe. I
Right.
mean, whatever.
Listen, I know this is your going away party and everything, and
The parents.
listen, Jenny, that's bullshit. I know what's really going on.
What?
Yeah, we don't need to get into it, but you're not fooling anyone. At least not me. Why don't you just try to, you know, get a job, you know, and just
Get a
kind of-
job?
yeah.
In this economy?
Yeah. Yeah, in this economy. I can help you, you know, like we can rehearse and
Rehearse what? I have nothing, dude.
The only thing on my resume is the objective section. I want a job.
yeah, that's pretty bad.
But it doesn't matter because
Okay.
it's really not your problem.
You're right.
And I'm fine. And I'm worked it out. I'm going home. I'm going to live with my parents. Well, I need to live with my parents. And then I'm going to find a job, probably at an awesome coffee shop.
Yeah. No,
Without your help, so it's fine. And honestly, help. There's plenty of, you know,
fish in the sea.
exactly.
Yeah, absolutely.
And they are waiting to jump into your open mouth. If I can extend the metaphor liberally.
What was that thing about dolphins you always told me about?
Dolphins are awesome.
Well, there was something, you know, that really kind of, you know, rung true for me.
Was it about how they get to eat?
Yeah. What was it again?
Okay. In a shallow bay,
Yeah.
they swim around in a pod and they chase down their whole school of fish that they like to eat.
Right.
And one of them takes the lead and he goes around in a really tight circle and he beats his tail strongly on the sand and it brings up all the silt.
Yeah.
And then it forms like a little circle and all the fish get so scared because they're all trapped in and then they jump out and all the waiting dolphins have their mouths open and then the fish jump into them. It's how they hunt. They actually fish.
That's so ridiculous. I don't know, it's just something about that really resonated, you know, and I was just thinking that was kind of like a metaphor for our relationship, you know?
And everyone's looking for you. People keep asking, where's Anthony?
Yeah.
All the girls.
Really?
A
No, no
girl, maybe, I don't know. Someone wanted to
Yeah,
know, I'm
okay,
sure,
okay.
along the line. I don't know. Anyways, you should really come down. This is my going away party.
All right, I'll come down to the party, but at least admit that you're not going to move in with your parents. So, what are you doing for money? Where are you going to live? What are you doing?
Remember, I'm not your problem.